Okay, what's up everyone? How is everyone? Today we're gonna be learning about covariance. Definition of covariance. Covariance measures how changes in one variable are um, associated with changes in a second variable. Variance is a single number that describes the variability of a single variable, while co covariance is a matrix that describes the joint variability of two or more variables. So, covariance is just like if you have a bucket of blue balls and a bucket of red balls. If you throw them on the floor, they will all mix up and they will just spread. So in variance, you only use one subject. Now in covariance, we'll use two subjects, science and math. For covariance, we'll press the equal and then cov. Look, it's the same thing as last video. If you put S, then it will just select from millions of data, like people use it, from millions of like data, you just select a small part. But we need right now P, so it selects the whole thing. So we double click on this, and this is a bit important. We have to select all of these and then press comma. If you don't press comma, it won't work. Comma, and then go back up, select all of these and press enter. We found the covariance. Um, Negative basically means covariance is like negative because negative means one subject marks are increasing while the other subject marks are decreasing. So bye bye guys, see you in the next lesson.